Your best chance of success with email marketing is to create a plan based on the products that you want to promote. It all starts with your product funnel, which leads to your content marketing plan, which leads to your email marketing calendar. All email marketing should be focused toward promoting your products and/or services, and that requires planning. The following steps will help you increase the results of your email marketing. Craft a working product funnel. You probably already have various products and services, but you may not have designed a product funnel yet. That helps you understand how everything is interconnected and works together. Understanding this can help you keep your different lists and promotions in order. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Design sales pages for each product. Each page should tell your audience the benefits of purchasing the product. Remember, a sales page's focus is on the audience, not on you. Benefits over features. Always pretend you are the client and answer all the questions and concerns they might have right on the sales page. Start appropriate email lists for each product using your autoresponder. Create the lists for each product or service that you will promote. At the minimum, you will want a general email list for people who visit the front page of your blog, and then 2 lists for each product you sell. Create 1 list for people who purchase the product and 1 list for people who just want more info about the particular product. Name them appropriately so that you know where to put the messages based from where the audience joins your list. Develop a new product launch calendar. Knowing when each product is being launched for new upcoming products and/or services will help you identify which lists you can include the announcements and information on. Plus, it will remind you to create new sales pages, lists, blog posts, and email marketing messages for each new product. Create a blog post publication calendar based on the product launch calendar. Write blog posts and set deadlines for them to be scheduled. Ensure that some blog posts promote the various sales pages, and other blog posts are designed for those who purchased already. For each message, consider who will see it and where they come from. Create a social media content publication calendar. Develop social media messages in a series based on your blog posts that will attract your readers to click through to your sales pages and purchase or sign up for your email lists. Create an email publication calendar based on how everything works together above. Create a series of emails that you can edit appropriately for each separate list that you may want to promote the new product to. Load them into the right autoresponders, ensuring they link to the right sales pages depending on the audience they are sent out to. Craft follow-up messages. Don't forget to craft all your follow-up messages too for each product that you sell. Once sold, you will want to keep in contact with the customer who bought it so that you can market future products and services to them. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. By creating a plan of action to follow, you can make sure every single time you launch a new product that you can cross-promote other products and services without bombarding your list too much with messages they don't need, thus increasing your conversion rates exponentially. If all the content you create goes together like a puzzle to promote all of your products and services in a seamless way, it'll be that much easier each time to set up for each new product. A question many beginning marketers ask is, well, if I give away all of my great stuff in my email campaign, how do I teach at a high level that they're going to be able to get more out of? Again, this goes back to being an expert. If you look at what I do, I may have 500 or 1K different topics that I could teach on at a high level for 30 minutes to an hour. We could measure maybe 500 hours worth of deep information. No matter how well I pad my email campaign, within the first 30 days that somebody is in my email campaign, they're probably still only going to get 3 hours, maybe 4 hours worth of information. I can give my very, very best information in those first 30 days, and give people 4 hours of information, which is 0.75% of everything that I teach at the highest level. And I still have 99.25% more information that they can learn at a really high level. Again, this goes back to your level of expertise. If you're only an expert at 2 small things, I can understand your reticence, your hesitation, to give that away in your email campaign. Here's what I suggest instead of trying to find a way to give people as little as possible in the email campaign. Instead, spend the next 60 days attempting to become the highest level expert you can possibly be in that time period. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Then you'll be able to offer in your entry-level subscribers a higher-level email campaign than your competition. What do we do in our sales letters? Well, we do exactly the same thing. We're going to scratch at the pain. We're going to say, are you frustrated with this problem you're experiencing? Is this a problem for you? Are you irritated or angry that you can't solve this problem? If so, I have the solution for you. Here's how the solution works. This is what it will do for you. This is how it will solve your problem. Then you're leading to a close. People are purchasing your product, not for how wonderful it is, but for its ability to remove the pain. People continue to read your emails for their ability to continue to remove the pain. People continue to download items from you because your items continue to relieve the pain. As long as your training is able to continue relieving pain for people, people will continue buying from you. But as soon as your products simply begin to calm people rather than solve their problems, that's when people stop buying from you. What I've shared with you here is emotionally and tactically how you're going to bridge the gap between the prospect's pain and the solution that you offer. If we just do a quick review, the very first thing that you've got to do is find out what people's deepest level pains are. You're not going to find this at an entry level by doing web searches, or by getting into the forums. Yes, I recommend those things for the very beginner basic level of creating your initial squeeze page. But to really dig deep, you're going to have to query those individuals who have taken action to become a subscriber. Find out what their deepest needs are. Then, in your free download, in your email campaign, in any promotional material that you put out, whether it's an audio, video, or print, you're going to dig into that pain, and show people how, by taking action with you, you're going to be able to eliminate that pain. When you do that consistently, all the way through your materials and campaigns, then you are able to effectively bridge the gap between the pain and the solution. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.